Hello, I am excited to present the Movers and Packers Company website. I created this as part of my web development project. This is a fictional company I developed which is called MoveEase, a professional and reliable movers and packers service designed to help individuals and businesses relocate smoothly and efficiently. So over the 10 minutes, I'll walk you through the website I have built, the technologies used and how the features work, and how I implemented the core functionalities like season control, cookies, dynamic PHP content, and more. Let's get started. So this is a Movies. It is a professional movers and packers company providing services such as home relocation, office relocation, packing and unpacking, storage, and even paid relocation. The goal was to design a website that offers clear navigation, presents services effectively, and includes real-world features like admin access and user tracking and more. So the website is of main pages. It's home, about, services, news, contact, admin, login. Each page is styled with CSS and user uses a responsive layout to work well on desktop and mobile. So in services section, I listed 10 different services Movies offers. These include packing and packing, local location, small business moves, organizing, assistance, temporary storage, for furniture assembly, international moves, pay to location, vehicle transport, and senior moving services. Each service links to its own page with a detailed description and an image. These individual pages are built using PHP and they include a script that tracks user interaction through cookies. We have used cookie here, which is a main feature. Like there are two main feature: recently visited service and most visited service. Each time a user views a service page, that is service is stored in a cookie, and this last five visited services are shown on the dedicated page, which is this last five visited services. For most visited services, another cookie counts how many times each service is visited. The five most visited services are displayed in this section. Um, then there's a contact page and file handling. The contact page contains a simple contact form. When a user submits the form, the information is stored in a text file using PHP. Then this file can be read later by the admin. This simulates a basic version of user inquiry storage, showing file, reading, writing with PHP. Then there is an admin login section and secure area. The website includes a secure admin area. Admin logs in. Admin logs in, and when they are logged in, they can view the list of users stored in users.txt file. The login uses seasons to restrict access, and logging out destroys the session. I'll try this again. So this is the admin panel, and these are the users of my website, which is basically a PHP text file, and the names are extracting from them. And this is the users of my teammates website, which is from Bloom and Brush website. Uh, Also, I tried to implement the PHP's curl functionality. The site can fetch data from another external website. For example, this users.txt file hosted elsewhere. So this was the basic idea of my website, and the technologies I used was HTML and CSS for structure and design, PHP for server side logic, form handling, cookies, seasons, file input output, and dynamic pages. JavaScript for toggling visibility in the services list. While implementing this, I faced some challenges, and I also had some learning outcomes, like implement PHP cookies and sessions, use file based storage and dynamic data, build modular PHP pages, also integrate front end back end smoothly. I also gained a deeper understanding of user experience and how features like recently viewed or most visited can improve it. Uh, Future enhancements, I can include some next steps in the website, like store user data in a database instead of text files. As I said, currently I am fetching all the users from text file using PHP, but instead of doing that, we could use a database, which will be a more realistic option. Another thing is add real logging with hashed passwords. Currently, I have stored my password as a string on the code side, but it would be reliable if I use hashed passwords. Also, I would enable form validation and email confirmation, and also improve the design with frameworks like modern frameworks like Bootstrap and other things. uh, I also paid attention to accessibility feature, like all tags are added to images, and buttons and links, text is descriptive, pages are responsive and readable on phones. So good design is not just visual, it's about making the site usable for everyone. So to conclude, this website is fully functional, educational demonstration of a moving services business, and it combines strong front end layout with powerful back end logic, and it simulates real world features like authentication, user tracking, and integration. So yeah, that was about my website, which is movies. We will be covering my teammates' website, where that is Blue Man Boom
Blush.
website. Uh, ShravaniMusabe.com.
Hello everyone. Um, this is my website. It's called Bloom and Brush. So I'll be walking you through this website. This is a full stack web application designed for an artist's portfolio and store. It is hosted. It is hosted on Infinity Free. And my goal was to create a clean, responsive, and functional platform where users can explore art, learn about artists, and even reach out to purchase their work. For this, I've used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and for database, I've used MySQL. I'll be showing you each page and what went behind it. So, this is my home page. This is the landing page. It welcomes visitors with this bright introduction and to our brand Bloom and Brush. So yeah, uh, yeah, you can see some things about what we do. Here are our best sellers, and you can also explore our collections using this button. I'll be covering this in the future. So the next page, and also like I designed this all to be simple yet expressive. So from the technical point of view, the layout is responsive using HTML and CSS with the links to other sections of the website clearly laid out in the navigation bar. So the goal here is to guide the visitors seamlessly to explore more. Uh, so the next page is the about page. Here I've introduced the artist and the story behind this brand. Um, I have used clean typography and also spacing to maintain readability. Technically it is a static HTML page with embedded CSS for styling. There's no JavaScript since the content is mostly informational. It This page adds a personal touch which helps users connect with the artist's journey. Um, from here, you can also explore the collection. Uh, so this so, so this basically links to this page. Um, so for the products, this is a core page, the product page. This page is dynamic, and I've built it using PHP. That means it interacts with the backend to fetch product listing. All these are our products. Right now, all the so if you can click on the product, and then you'll go to a page where I've inserted all about the product, the description, the price. For now, it's a static page, but in future, I plan to integrate more APIs and uh, purchasing facilities. So yeah, this page also uses cookies to keep track of recently viewed and most visited products, which you can see. These are the two links. So I recently viewed this floral canvas product. So if I go to this view recently viewed products, I'll see floral canvas. From here, you can also again visit that page. Yeah, coming back to products. So for the PHP part, I've stored the cookie and also the product ID, and I've, as I said before, displayed it in separate pages for like recently viewed and top visited products. um, so as you can see, you can explore different products. This is a nature painting. This is the description: a scenic landscape painting inspired by forest, rivers, and the tranquility of nature. And this is ideal for nature lovers. The price is $60. um, I'll give you a quick demo of these two links. So for example, if I also visited this rustic home decor, um, there's also this Viscous Whispers painting, um, and again visit the rustic home decor. So if I go to the view top visited products, you can see how many times I visited that product and also the name of the product. You can also visit that product using this link. So although this is quite simple, but it includes a hint of recommendation logic. Next page is the news page. This news page acts as a blog or update section. The section shares announcements, event updates, or art exhibition news. It's also static HTML and CSS for now, but can be upgraded with a CMS or dynamic PHP to allow artists to post updates without editing the code. But for now, it's static. So it gives the website a living, breathing feel, like some news is always happening. For example, here I've mentioned in March 2025, the artist has launched a new collection of floral themed planners. So, yeah, so that's our news section. This is the contact section. In the contact page, this is one of the most important pages. So here you can see how you can get in touch with the artist, the address, the email, the phone number, etc. um, so I've yeah, now the next page is the admin login page. Um, I'll try if this works. um, I don't remember the credits, but if you log in, it's same as MoveEase, like how it was. Uh, Here you can, in the movies, like you can see the names of the users of move-in. Here it just will be the opposite. You'll see external users as move-in users and my website users as my website users. um, yeah, I'll try to find the admin password in a second. Just a second. Mm.
Okay, I cannot find it. Anyways, so yeah, so that's similar to uh, my yeah. So this is how my website looks like. Um, so right now the authentication for this admin login page is hard coded with PHP. So it has a basic username and password check, but it can easily be upgraded to a full login system with hash password and user roles. um, for the summary, the technologies I've used is HTML, CSS, and minimal JavaScript, PHP, some database. Also, I've used cookies for tracking the recently viewed and most viewed items, the products. I've yeah, each piece of these was chosen to keep the system lightweight, accessible, and easy to maintain. Um, so yeah, this project helped me bring together full stack concepts from layout design to backend scripting and user interaction. While the system is simple, it lays the groundwork for a scalable art store. Features like dynamic content, cookie tracking, and user messaging are already built in, and there's so much more room to grow. Yeah, I can also show you my code. Um, so these are all my files. I'll just open this authenticate.php. Yeah, I got the admin name, the password. I'll try using it. Yeah. See, now you can see my website users, which are Ayushi, Dhruva, Manasvi, and Shravani. And movies users are Mary, John, Alex, Sarah, and David. You can also log out using the logout button. This is my code. This is a PHP page. So that's my code. Um, so so I'm now my teammate Manasvi is going to speak about the reflection and the learning part. Through this project, we not only strengthened our technical skills, but also developed a much deeper appreciation for web development as a discipline. I learned We learned how to translate business requirements into real working code. Also gained hands-on experience with real-world web features like session-based authentication, tracking cookies, and also file manipulation with a PHP. So it taught us how important it is to design systems with both users and maintainers in mind, making sure that features are easy to use and easy to manage. So it also taught us how to debug problems, work methodically, and follow good development practices such as usability and modularity. So we both feel confident now to take on more complex web development challenges and also improve our websites. So yeah, that was our learning from this project. So to conclude, so both the websites were fully functional educational demonstration of a moving service, and the Bloom and Brush, like where we can post our like where artist can post his or her art Also, it combines strong front-end layout with powerful backend logic, and it simulates real-world features like authentication, user tracking, and integration. So, yeah, that was it. We had these two websites which we developed as a part of our projects as live assignments. And yeah, thank you for listening.
Yeah, you can explore our websites
Yes, yes,
at you can website at mlooker dot c2.
गया गया पूरा गया काट सकते क्या
हाँ काट सकते
खत्म खत्म बस रे बस